windy, rainy and horrible at the moment. No, there's been a bit of a gap again on the recording. I don't know if that'll translate to a gap in the videos or not, but it's just been a bit difficult to get back in the swing of it at the moment. Right, I'll try my best out here. Obviously the weather is awful. Right, you would have seen that one in a few videos, I believe. Roy did the rear seals and arches on this, had a full respray, a new roof and wheel refurbishment, and that leaves in about an hour, so that one's going soon. This one, Roy again has been doing a lot of work on. He's put a new seal on this side. I think this has been in a few videos. He's had to come off of it at the moment because he'd have to catch up with a few other things. So yeah, that one is kind of on hold at the minute until we can get back onto it. But that's, yeah, complete rebuild on that side. This side was seal and arch on the back, front seal. I'll try and get to look at that one a bit more when we get back on a ramp. This one here, this one's been hit quite badly. Apparently a Golf landed upon it somehow. So yeah, so that's in for rear quarter, boot lid and associated stuff, front wings. But I have thrown a bit of a spanner in the works for him because I've mentioned our Monza that we've got that's lower mileage and would be cheaper than repairing this one. Slight downside is 1.6 whereas this is 1.8, but he's having to think about that. That one, rear seal and arch on one side, seal on the other side, front chassis rails. Roy's getting onto that later in the week. This one's from Jersey. That's having a lot of mechanical upgrades, Meisters, anti-roll bars, roll bar, and some welding to the windscreen surround, which I haven't looked at myself yet. It's probably, maybe that's on the A-pillars, but yeah, that'll be going in soon. That is that for stuff out here. Oh man, it is horrible out here. Oh, we got some exciting news about the Black Le Mans. That's going to be being road tested this week. It's nearly done, so that will be leaving us maybe the end of this week, maybe next week. It might be next week actually, because I think Chris is going to road test it this week. We need to put quite a few miles on that to make sure no problems arise of things, unexpected things. So yeah, he's going to be putting a few miles on that, hopefully in better weather than this. Yeah, also we've now got was it Motive? We've got these. Oh, bloody camera. I think I'm going to have to change this camera, it's not doing what I asked it to do. So we've got these in now, they will be getting on the website. It's Motive Culture, we had his car in last week. Really nice these, so these will be being displayed properly in here soon. And they'll be on the website when Ashley gets them on the website. You're getting them on the website in the next 20 minutes?
No.
Oh, okay. It's not very good, is it? Right, Grant, it's time. Hang on, I'm going to go turn the radio on. I'll come back to you later. Radio on? Radio off even. I didn't warn anyone that I was coming to do a video, so I made everyone be quiet. Go to Jake first, since he's making all the noise. Doing a video, Jake.
Hello. Didn't see you there.
Right. So this one came into us already cut open, didn't it?
Yeah.
The owner had cut it open. I believe he'd cut it open 7 years ago. Got scared. And has then been saving to bring it into us ever since.
Yeah, I think he got
fair play to him.
Yeah.
So this is kind of what we term as almost a normal stuff now, isn't it?
Well, not going up that high.
No, yeah. That's we've had to do that obviously because of where he's cut it.
At least we can get the spot welder up in there. And
yeah, that's true.
spot
Yeah.
weld all this up.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
So yeah, inner seal. You've done that inner box section, haven't you?
Yes, yeah, all
That was
done that. Yeah,
there.
done a nice repair up there for the flange.
Yeah, he cut that lip off, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut it off, and of course half the arch as well, which
Yeah.
I've rebuilt all of the inner arch and inner arch tubs.
It's always a problem, obviously, when we don't cut it out. We have our particular way of cutting it out, and when someone else cuts it out, it kind of changes slightly how we have to work it, doesn't it? But
Yes.
it's no big deal. It's just slightly different.
Yeah. It just
And the other side is pretty much.
that's our normal. The other side.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. So the reason we keep it lower is up here. It's more likely to distort. Down there, it doesn't so much, does it?
No, because you've got the straight swage line stopping.
Yeah.
It's the same as if you was going to do a very low lip repair on the arch. Try and keep it below the swage line, because that swage line will stop it from distorting, and it's got something to butt up against.
Yeah. Oh, and we're doing floor rails as well on this one, aren't we? Because they're a bit.
He wants the 1.4,
1.5. Yeah, they're a bit bent.
a bit bent. Yeah.
So yeah, cool. All right. Cheers, Dave.
No way.
Roy's got a smaller job.
Yeah?
Hello.
Oh, devil are we?
Oh,
Green.
filler.
It's green. Someone made it out of.
Did I do that famous last words where I said this one doesn't look too bad?
Yeah, I'm it shouldn't be too bad.
No, worst it'd be, you know, wouldn't it?
Can't open a bit and find out.
Okay, mate. Nothing much to talk about, really, is there?
Not really, I've only just got it in. Been playing
right.
with new grinders, but
Who brought you new? Who authorised new stuff?
I'm a boss man.
Hey?
I'm a boss man.
Oh, okay. See you later.
I broke my last one.
Wore it out.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to see Grant because Chris is on the phone. There's another one up there. See? There's actually a number plate on it. It's looking good. Grant's dying by the sounds of it. You dying, Grant?
His tea went down the wrong hole.
Oh. I'll have to ban tea drinking then.
No. Couldn't survive without tea.
This is nice, this one. This is a 10th anniversary. Only 39,000 miles.
Yeah.
It's in for an underseal. So we were rumming and ahhing about clear. Oh, I've got something on my. Hang on. I'll clean my lens. We were rumming and ahhing about clear, but it's not quite good enough for that. Is it?
Not quite good.
It's good for a Mark II,
Very good for Mark II.
but it's just stuff like that just won't look right on clear.
You know, as much as you clean it up, it's not gonna.
But yeah, we like this one.
Yeah.
I told him I want to buy it when he sells it. Right, let's go and find Chris. Is he still on the phone? Looks like it.
Wednesday.
No, it's Monday.
Wednesday. What time Wednesday? Do the MOT and then the Geo. I probably should do Geo first and then MOT.
We might have to.
I need to. Are you?
I'll talk you through it. There's not. It's not. I can't really show you a lot because it's all covered up because it's all been cleaned. But you can just about see the refurbished wheels behind that. We're waiting for the Mazda centre caps for those. Underneath now we've got the exhaust. Now on there, let's go for a stainless one from M2. We couldn't get anything else, to be honest. Everything else is out of stock for a long time. But yeah, we are nearly there. So what Chris is planning to do is he's going to do, well, the first drive of this is going to do videos. So you'll be able to see that on the channel, which is good. So hopefully nothing will go wrong. I mean, it shouldn't. Everything's been gone through. It's just those things of like, you know, once a car's been completely taken apart and put back together again, you've just got to make sure there's no teething issues. Everything, the side skirts are here. They've been painted. So Chris is going to fit those. And then after all the road testing, it'll go back to the paint shop for final polish. before then giving it back to the customer. I was very much looking forward to it coming back. Hey? Well, I was going to talk with you about it, but there's not a lot to show at the moment. It's all covered up. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll have a bit more to talk about on Le Mans in the next episode. Oh, another thing. What's that thing? Super thanks. I turned that on the page. We have a lot of people message us and saying thanks for the videos, it really helped me out with this and that. So if you're one of those people, we'd appreciate it if you did a super thanks for us. It helps us continue with more videos and hopefully stop more of these gaps. Alright, take care, catch you on the next one.